Ever had someone suddenly text you right when you were thinking about them? It's not a coincidence. You're actually sending them something without even knowing it. And today, I'm going to show you how to use that connection the right way so that the person you want can't stop thinking about you either. Stay with me, because if you get this wrong, you might actually push them away without even realizing it. Most people have no idea how powerful their thoughts are. They just assume, oh, it's all in my head. But it's not. Your mind, your emotions, are constantly sending out invisible signals. Every single thought, every single feeling carries a frequency. And whether you realize it or not, the people you're thinking about are picking up on that frequency. Not always in a way they can explain. Not in words, but in feelings, in a gut instinct, in that little tug in the heart that makes them randomly think of you and wonder what you're doing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how your thoughts reach someone and how to send the kind of energy that pulls them closer to you without even lifting a finger. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with something most people never think about. Whenever you think about someone, whether it's your crush, your ex, or even a friend, you're not just thinking. You're sending. You're sending a kind of invisible message, like a radio wave, straight to them. It's like your heart and mind turn into a powerful transmitter, and whether they're sitting across the room or on the other side of the world, that signal reaches them. Subtle, silent, but real. And here's the crazy part. They can feel it, even if they're busy, even if they're not thinking about you at all in that moment, even if they've tried to move on. That energy cuts through all of that. It taps them on the shoulder in a way they can't quite explain, like a memory they didn't expect, like a whisper they can't hear with their ears. But they sense it deep inside, not always consciously. But something inside them picks it up. It's primal, it's instinctual, it's built into us, long before we ever had phones or the internet or anything else. Ever walked into a room and felt someone's bad vibe without them even saying a word? Same thing. You just know. Your body picks it up before your brain even catches on. That's the power of energy. And your thoughts are dripping with it. Every time. Now, here's where most people mess up. It's not the number of times you think about them that matters. It's how you think about them. You can think about someone 100 times a day. You can obsess, replay conversations, wonder where they are, who they're with, and it won't pull them closer. In fact, it'll probably do the opposite. Because if you're worrying, doubting, wondering why they're not texting back, guess what? You're sending them panic, neediness, fear. And guess what comes back to you? More silence, more distance, more, why are they pulling away from me? Moments. It's not because they hate you. It's not because you're not good enough. It's because the energy you're sending makes them feel heavy, uncomfortable, trapped. And no one wants to lean into that, not consciously, not even the people who care about you. But if you're thinking from a place of calm, confidence and self-love, if you're thinking about them while feeling happy about yourself, feeling secure in your worth, trusting that good things flow to you naturally, you're sending out warmth, comfort, attraction. You're like an open window on a breezy day, easy, refreshing, inviting. And people are drawn to that without even knowing why. They just feel good thinking about you. They feel lighter, happier, safer. And naturally, they want to be closer to that feeling, closer to you. Think about it like this. Imagine walking into a car dealership. You just want to browse, right? Check things out on your own. Feel it out. But the first salesman runs at you like a hungry wolf. Hey, can I help you? Looking for anything specific? Instantly you feel your guard go up. Your body tightens. You start plotting your escape. You don't even want to be there anymore, because that energy, that desperation, makes you uncomfortable. Now imagine another guy. He smiles, nods, maybe says, "Let me know if you need anything," and then backs off, gives you space, gives you room to breathe. No pressure, no neediness, just calm confidence. If you need help, you go to him, because you feel safe, you feel respected, you feel like you have a choice. Which one are you drawn to? Exactly. Energy works the same way with people, even when you're not physically around them, even when it's just your thoughts, especially when it's just your thoughts, because your energy doesn't need permission to travel, it just does. Every second, every thought, every feeling. So if you really want someone to think about you, miss you, reach out to you, it's not about chasing harder, it's about sending the right energy and letting it do the work for you. When you're desperate or anxious, you push them away. You don't even mean to, but it happens. It's like your energy is screaming, "I need you." And instead of making them come closer, it makes them step back. Because nobody, and I mean nobody, is drawn to desperation. Not in friendships, not in love, not even in passing conversations. But when you're calm, when you're secure in yourself, when you're happy in your own skin, you pull them toward you without even trying. Your energy becomes soft, open, magnetic. And suddenly, without you chasing, they start feeling the difference. They start leaning in. They start thinking about you without even knowing why. How to send the right energy. The first step: stop focusing on them. Seriously, put the phone down, close the social media apps, stop checking when they were last online, stop overthinking every little thing they said or didn't say. Start focusing on you. Start turning all that attention, all that care, all that love inward. How you feel, what you're doing, what you're loving about your life, what makes you light up inside, even when nobody's watching. When you pour all that good stuff into yourself, your energy becomes magnetic, without you even having to try, without effort, without chasing. You don't have to run after anyone anymore. You don't have to wonder if they'll notice you. They feel the shift. It's like an invisible string gets pulled tight, and they can't help but notice. They start wondering, what changed? Why do I feel drawn to them all of a sudden? And that curiosity, that tiny little tug in their chest, that's what pulls them back. Not your words, not your texts, not your explanations, your energy. Secret tip. One more thing nobody talks about, but it's huge. Gratitude. Being thankful, not just saying it, but feeling it deep inside your chest, is like flipping a giant switch on your energy. It's like turning up your signal by 1,000 volts. Suddenly, you're not just sending out quiet little waves. You're shining like a freaking lighthouse, and people can't help but see you. When you sit quietly, take a deep breath, and honestly feel grateful for your life, for your growth, for even the hard times that made you stronger. You're literally shining brighter without even trying. And the person you're thinking about? They feel that. They feel the warmth. They feel the difference. And it makes you impossible to ignore. Not because you're shouting for attention, but because you're radiating something real, something rare. Bottom line, it's not about thinking harder. It's not about sitting there obsessing and willing them to come back. It's about feeling better, inside you. When you feel good about you, the right people can't help but be drawn to you. They feel safe around you. They feel uplifted by you. They feel better just thinking about you. And that's powerful. So next time you catch yourself obsessing about someone, stop, breathe, smile a little. Shift the focus back to yourself, back to your life, back to your joy. And then just watch what happens. You'll be amazed. Oh, and before you go, if you felt even a tiny shift while listening to this, if something inside you is buzzing right now, then you already know this wasn't random. This message was meant for you, so don't just click away and forget it. Hit that like button right now. Drop a comment, even if it's just a thank you, because when you put good energy out, you get more of it back. Subscribe, because what's coming next is stuff most people never hear about. Not on TikTok, not on Instagram, not anywhere. And if you're serious about leveling up, really serious, then join the channel membership, because the next techniques I'm about to share, they don't show up for everyone. No ads, no noise, just the real stuff, the stuff that actually works. The things you'll wish someone had told you years ago. The things that could completely shift the way people respond to you. If you don't like, comment, subscribe, or join, just know you're leaving life-changing secrets on the table. And while others are getting those texts, those calls, those second chances, you'll still be wondering what if. Don't be that person. Be the one who decided to shift. Be the one who finally understood. Click it all, right now, and I'll see you inside. Before someone else gets what was meant for you. Heh heh.